pre-noon walk. I think that you can see it's still raining, but way less than in the morning. Yeah, had to change the jackets. The black one was completely soaked. Well, the outer layer and basically the pockets completely soaked, and it hasn't dried yet, so I had to change. And of course, new shoes. The walking shoes are also. Tuki, Lizzie, Tuki. Lizzie, gremo čez. Liza, ja daj Tuki. But yeah, we have to take advantage of this lull in the raining to walk these two before it picks up again. Okay, let's walk. Yeah, hopefully it will not pick up while we are walking, but yeah, we are not made out of sugar. Okay, let's end on this point.